Hi guys, in today's video, I am going to show you how to upload a video on Pinterest. So let's get started. First off, what you're going to do is to simply go to pinterest.com and sign into your Pinterest account. Once you're logged in, you will basically be routed to your homepage. Now, what you're going to do is that you're going to go to the upper left hand corner of the screen, and there beside the home button, you can actually see a create button. So click on create, and afterwards, what you're going to do next is that here you can see create pin. In the box, you just need to click on the arrow up button. So click on this one, and then afterwards, you will basically be asked to choose the video that you would want to download onto your Pinterest. So say for example, I would like to download this video right here of mine. The next thing that we're going to do is to simply add some title, add some description. If you do have any link related to the video, you can add it right here as well. You can also choose a board for your video and also add some tag topics, right? Now here below, there are more options that you can adjust. So say for example, you do not want to allow people to comment on this post, you just need to turn off the radio button. And if you want to show similar products as well, then you can simply turn on the radio button as well. And after all the changes or after all the details are being inputted, what you're going to do next is that you can simply click on the publish button here in the upper right hand corner. And that's how you can download a video or upload a video on your Pinterest. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and hope you find this tutorial helpful.